and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Choi. On today's episode, we'll be making fruit roll-up the healthy way. Let's get started. So first we're going to slice the apples, strawberries, and bananas. So now we sliced the fruit, and now we're gonna mix the honey and yogurt. So just like do this.
Get all that out of there, bud.
Oh, get all of it? Okay.
And stir it around.
And then stir it around. Need this back of evil. So now we're going to spread it on a tortilla shell. Is that how you spread it down?
That's good. Good job, bud.
Thanks. So now we're going to place the fruit on a tortilla shell.
Tortilla shell.
Tortilla shell. Place the bananas. Look. Be careful, guys, because they're slippery. Am I right, Dad?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're slippery. Let's get some strawberries on there.
Yeah. Now for the fun part. The strawberries! Hey, the red stuff. My favorite color. So now we're gonna roll it up. So here's our fruit roll-up with yogurt and granola. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you on our next time. Bye!